Jutland Ridge is a wonderful private community to call home. This beautiful open-concept home has 1439 sf of living space. The main entrance boasts a large newly painted deck with white iron railing and gate. French doors lead you into a spacious bonus breakfast room which extends to kitchen. Bright open kitchen has plenty of cupboards, counter space, SS appliances and kitchen bar. Dining room has natural light from large window as well as the French doors leading out to the backyard patio. Vaulted ceiling between living room and kitchen add to the modern floor plan of the home. The master bedroom has an ensuite with a corner shower, large jetted tub and walk-in closet. Great-sized laundry room with a space for small freezer. Backyard is fully landscaped with huge storage shed, 10x14. Even room to park your RVs. The walking trail are another great feature in this community. Convenient 3-minute drive to hospital, shopping and dining.